share button this fast. How did you forget your cell phone? Okay, hold on. Hi Charlie, it's Alex again. What's up? Okay, so you see, ow. Okay, wait, let me catch my breath. Hold on. That's your girlfriend. Ain't she cute? Okay, anyways, so Brittany forgot our cell phone. And we walked all the way over there. We were all the way over there. Way over there. See? Over there, that little dot? Yeah. Okay, so we were there. And we had to go here. And she's getting her phone. Can you believe she forgot her phone? I'm out of breath. She wears me out. But I love her. Anyways.
I got it.
She got it. Run back. Because I gotta pee. Really bad.
Sorry, guys. I'm not going. My phone is needed purposes. How the hell am I going to get out of here?
You go through that thing, and come through. I need to fix my shoe.
Shoot.
Shoe. Ooh, look at the grass. Pretty grass.
Very interesting video.
Go ahead, continue. Continue.
And then I was going to cleanse and put my nose again.
Please,
What?
don't hurt your nose and rip your earring out. Oh, did you see my earring, Charlie? It's balling. Hold on. Can you see that? Yeah. Ain't that balling? Alright, let's run back. Say bye, Brittany. Hey, bye. Love you. Bye, Charlie. Nice meeting you. Okay, turn this off. Oh, wait, no. You just do this. Oh, wait. Okay, bye.